a coffee for your head.
Alright, and how did you need this grounded?
Just put it on 4.
On espresso? 4? Sure. Yeah, I can do that for you.
Your head, they'll get you up.
You know, on second thought, I just might throw myself in the grinder instead. See you in a bit. Or not.